Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get paid on Wix. To begin, you'll need to connect a payment provider through your site's dashboard settings. Wix Payments is the platform's own integrated solution, offering a straightforward way to accept funds. Remember, a premium business or e-commerce plan is required to enable payment acceptance. You'll also verify your account by providing essential business and bank information. Wix Payments offers many advantages for your business. You can accept major credit and debit cards, along with popular digital wallets like Apple Pay and Google Pay. All your transactions, including refunds and payouts, are managed conveniently within a single dashboard. Processing fees are competitive, often around 2.9% plus 30 cents per transaction in the United States. Plus, you can select a payout schedule that suits you: daily, weekly, or monthly. While Wix Payments is highly recommended, you can also integrate other well-known payment gateways. Options like PayPal and Stripe are available, providing additional flexibility and supporting various regional payment methods. Each of these third-party providers comes with its own specific fee structure and setup requirements. Offering a few different payment choices can significantly enhance your customers' checkout experience and convenience. Understanding payouts and fees is crucial for managing your earnings. After your first successful payment, funds are typically available for payout within about 7 days. Subsequent payouts usually reach your linked bank account in 3 to 5 business days, depending on your bank. Remember, a minimum balance of $1 is needed for payouts to be processed. Always review the detailed fee structure of your chosen payment provider to stay informed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.